Hi, BrenTech here, where tech is made simple. So if you are using the different Google products and services like Docs, Sheets, Slides, and Google Meet, then just a video to let you know about some changes that Google has recently announced that they are making to these products and services. And this announcement was made in a recent blog post dated the 25th of April. Now, Google has mentioned that they're rolling out an enhanced tool finder at the top of Docs, Sheets, and Slides to make it easier for you to discover commonly used tools and features. Now, this is currently on a controlled rollout, so I haven't received it yet in my region, but if we head to a screenshot provided, this will give us the general idea as to what to expect when this does make it to your region. Now, Google says these refined tool finding capabilities aim to help you quickly locate relevant features or functionality using your own words. So as an example, if you open the enhanced tool finder, you'll notice suggestions for common actions such as, and they'll give a list of some common actions. And the first is for Docs. You get page setup drop-down, meeting notes in Docs. Moving on to Sheets, you can insert rows and or columns, merge cells and freeze rows and or columns in Sheets. And then Slides, page setup, spell check, edit theme in Slides. So those are just a couple of the common actions you will be able to use and perform with this new enhanced tool that will be part of the Google Docs, Sheets, and Slides. Now, Google does carry on to say that once you begin editing, you can find recent actions by clicking into the tool finder for easy access to your previously used features. And in case you were unaware, prior to this launch and this new feature being made available now, as an example, if we head to Sheets currently, you could find features by navigating to help search the menu. So that's how you could find the features. And as mentioned now, that's been moved to the enhanced tool finder. And Google says that starting on the 25th of April, you will now be redirected to the enhanced tool finder, and after a short transition period, the redirect will be removed and the tool finder will live permanently in the toolbar. So as an example, if we head over to Docs, this is where the tool finder will be located in the toolbar here to the left-hand side, and that just puts things into perspective if you are using Google Docs, Sheets, and Slides. And this new enhanced tool discovery feature, Google says, is available to all Google Workspace customers as well as legacy G Suite Basic and Business customers. And the good news is that if you are a personal Google account user like I am, you will also have access to this new enhanced toolbar feature according to Google. Now, moving on to the next regarding Google Meet. And if you are using Google Meet, they are introducing Full HD or 1080p support for Google Meet video calls, which has been a long time coming, because if you are using other video online streaming services like Teams and Zoom, they already have 1080p support. So this will be rolling out now to Google Meet. Now, one or two things to take note of here. The 1080p video calls will only be made available to users of and customers of select Google Workspace editions. So this is not a free service. So if you are a free Google user, you will not get access to 1080p video calls at this stage. Now, Google does mention in a blog post regarding this feature, and this image will just give us a general idea as more or less what to expect. They say this resolution is available on the web when using a computer with a 1080p camera and enough computing power in meetings with two participants. So there are a couple of recommendations here and a couple of limitations. The new high definition resolution is off by default, and eligible users will be prompted before entering the meeting about the new 1080p option, or it can be turned on or off via the settings menu. So there's just a couple of things and a quick summary of some things to take note of. And Meet will automatically adjust the resolution if the device is bandwidth constrained. So if you don't have the appropriate bandwidth, it will automatically adjust the resolution. Now, Google has said that it will be offered to Google One subscribers with 2 terabyte or more storage space with eligible devices that do support 1080p as mentioned. And meanwhile, though, it won't be rolling out as mentioned to personal Google account users and customers using Google Workspace Essentials, Business Starter, Education Fundamentals, Education Standard, Nonprofits, and G Suite Basic Business. So there are a couple of limitations when it comes to the Full HD 1080p support for Google Meet video calls. And both these features, the 1080p video resolution for Google Meet and the enhanced tool discovery, according to the Workspace blog posts that Google posted recently, will be on a controlled rollout starting the 25th of April, and that will continue into April and May of this year, 2023. So thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.